Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix leaked Snapchat snaps. And all we have to do is to launch our Snapchat application, and then we are going to tap on our Bitmoji here at the top, and then we are going to tap on settings. Then we're going to make sure that we have activated the two-factor authentication. And then from here, once we've activated our two-factor authentication, this will protect our chats from getting leaked. Another thing is to scroll down until we see I need help, which will be located here at the support. Once we tap on it, we are going to describe to them the type of issue that we are experiencing, which is fix leaked snap charts, snaps. And then we're going to wait for it to load. And from there, they are going to give us articles on how we can fix this type of an issue, or articles that are related to this type of an issue that we are experiencing. We are going to go back again. And another thing I would like to add is that there is no way that our snap can be leaked, since Snapchat has value user privacy. And thank you guys for watching this video. I do hope that it did help, and I'll see you guys on the next video.